Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different kind of video for you guys. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this brand, Hello Molly. In no way am I sponsored. I didn't even get this sent to me for free. I literally ordered it with my own money. It's kind of an unknown brand. It's an Australian brand. I tried looking up reviews on YouTube and there wasn't really any, so I was like, why not just do it on my own? I specifically ordered a dress for New Year's, but it didn't come in on time because I'm an idiot. So that's in no way their fault because I ordered it on a Thursday before New Year's and New Year's was on a Sunday. Obviously they're going to be closed on New Year's Eve, which was Sunday. It didn't come in on time, so I was completely disappointed. I had to wear a different dress, but I did order a dress and it just came in literally a few seconds ago. So I thought I would do a review for you guys. Okay, so they come in like this kind of bag. It just says Hello Molly, and then on the back says start the party. And it's only an online website. And obviously I wouldn't know if it was like a store or not because I don't live in Australia. But we're just gonna open it up now. Okay, so I look in the bag and I have my receipt here with like a little note that says, "Hey babe, we hope you absolutely love your new items. We're sure you'll look gorgeous and want to thank you for shopping with us. If you need anything at all, please get in touch. We'd love to chat. See you again soon. Hello Molly." That's cute. Okay, the first thing I noticed is the dress, but then I also noticed that there's like sparkles like in the bag, which it's a sparkly dress, so right away I'm kind of like, I mean, it isn't like overwhelming sparkles, but there's definitely some there. This is what it looks like. I'm actually really excited to see what this dress looks like because I've been looking online at this dress for like months. Literally before Christmas and before we even got out for Christmas break or winter break. I am an idiot, like I said, so I didn't order it until the very last minute, but that's because the sizing on the website, they're like a little weird. This is an extra small, but it's a US size 2, and usually I'm a 0, so I looked up like their measurements and I took a literal tape measure and try to measure parts of my body and see if it would fit. And this is kind of what was holding me back because I was afraid that none of their stuff would fit me. Oh my god, I already have sparkles like all over. But they do put a disclaimer on their website that says like glitter will fall. So it's like a really pretty dress. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, I really wish I had this for New Year's. I was really disappointed when it didn't come in, but this is what it looks like. I will try it on, but for now, the detailing is like super pretty, and oh, there's glitter everywhere, you guys. It's everywhere. Oh my god. I noticed that this dress is like super low cut, which is lower than I thought it would be in the pictures, and it's a little bit loose, which I thought it would be like a tighter fit. The material, it's like fraying here already and I haven't even like worn it. The back is open back. Obviously I wouldn't wear like this kind of bra with it. But I don't know. I'm like indifferent about it. It doesn't look that flattering on me. And like the length, if it was shorter maybe, but that's probably because I'm a short person in general. So yeah. I'm really not feeling this dress at all. And everything on their site makes it look so cute and pretty and beautiful, and then I get it and I'm like, what was I thinking? I was a little skeptical going into the purchase anyways. This dress was 15% off, so it cost me like 59 something because the original price was $70 and it was 15% off, so it was like 59.60 I think maybe. But shipping was $15, so I got it for $74.50. If I bought it at $70, shipping was $5, so I would have gotten it for $75. So I really only got a discount of 50 cents if you think about it. That's bull. As for the dress itself, the detail, the glitter, it's beautiful. It just doesn't fit me, and there's glitter everywhere. Like, no joke, everywhere. That right there is a red flag for me. And then this part, just fraying right off the bat, another red flag. I know if you look up Hello Molly reviews online, the first link has like a ton of reviews and Hello Molly actually responds to each of them. I am definitely going on there and complaining about this because the return policy is ridiculous as well. You can't get your money back. All you get is store credit, which there isn't even a store. As for this purchase, I don't even think I want store credit because I don't trust this brand anymore. I think it would work for other people, but just not for me because I am more like petite. I'm only 4'11", I'm really short, and this is a size 2. So a size 2 and above, you could be getting quality pieces, but for me, it's just not working out. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I will return it and find a new piece, hopefully. The sparkles on this dress is actually really pretty. Like, don't get me wrong. It's a really pretty dress, and I know you can't really see all of it in one shot. If you have like nice cleavage, it could look really good, but for me, the cut is way too low. I thought it would be like here. All in all, I'd say if you are a size 2 or above, go ahead and check it out and just trust your own instinct. I think this is a hit or miss, really, because I've read some great reviews and on the other hand, some bad reviews, and mine is a bad review. Their pieces are definitely gorgeous, and the shipping is super fast. If it wasn't for the holidays, I would have gotten it in like 2 days. Seeing as it ships from Australia all the way over to the US, that's a great time span. It's so quick. And the detailing is great. I love the little ruffles here and the little ruffles at the bottom. It's just cheaply made. The sparkles are literally everywhere, and I am getting stressed out knowing I have to attempt to clean this up. But the sparkles are like a white iridescent, like with pink and blue and greens. They're super pretty, and gold obviously, but the rest of it, it's a thumbs down for me. It just sucks because I wish I could get my money back, but I can't. And so purchase at your own risk, you guys. That is my review. The dress itself is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm not really good at like describing it. The back is stunning. It is a little bit itchy and I'm dying to get out of it and clean up this mess. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, click the like button for more videos, and leave a comment on what you want to see next. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!